Today we're in the kitchen with California Grown, and I can't wait to show you how to put together one of my favorite things to eat in the summer, California table under the stars. Let's go. I'm going to make a lovely pistachio pesto and goat cheese. What I've got here is about 3 tablespoons of the goat cheese. 3 ounces of the goat cheese and about 3 tablespoons. And then we're just going to stir, and the trick is keep stirring, and when it's a color and taste that you like, you're done. And I'd add a bit of salt, and it would be fantastic, some of my marinated onion oil, just like a teaspoon or 2. So I've got my almonds from California, and they're raw. And what I'm going to do is, got some olive oil, got some salt, and I'm going to do a little cayenne, toss it all together, and roast them up. They're going to be yummy. Let's roast some California garlic. We've got the heads. It's this easy. Cut them off. Drizzle them with some olive oil, some salt. Put it in a 350-degree oven until it's the consistency that you like, about a half hour.
So when you're thinking about an evening like this, for me it starts out with beautiful charcuterie, whatever you love, wonderful California cheeses, not to mention local wines, and peaches and apricots. Beautiful tomatoes. First of all, it's an amazing backdrop. Next of all, I'm going to make some roasted tomatoes, so they're going to come in handy, but everyone's going to be picking from these and loving them. And let's not forget some beautiful artichokes. And here's a great way to use, several boards. So what I have here is the gorgeous almonds, breads, honey, butter, and fruit. Now I'm going to scooch in the pistachio. I love these peppers. They're like a little pickled pepper, so fantastic. And the gluten-free crackers for me. So I've got this beautiful roasted garlic. You're probably surprised I didn't use garlic confit. And my olives. I'm going to scooch in my marinated onions, of course, the pistachio pesto with goat cheese, and California dates. I'm going to stick in these wonderful California avocados with tomato confit. What a delight. And finished product. I love it. And I love these products. Definitely swipe up for some ideas on how to make it.